Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are just joining, welcome to my channel. And if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to be making this ruffle beaded crochet skirt, and you can actually make it without beads, you can make it without the ruffles, and you can also make it longer. So let's get right into the video. So for today's tutorial, we are going to be using yeye wool. For those of you that know me, you should know that I'm a yeye wool warrior. So god, why can't we be like other children? So we are going to be using a 5.5mm hook. You can use a 3.5, you can use 3, you can use 4.5, any one of your choice. Then we are going to be using a scissors, then your tape roll. So we are going to start crocheting 6 chains plus an extra chain for your turning. Then we start making a half double crochet into your chain stitch. It can be a little bit difficult, but make sure it's not too tight so that you'll be able to insert your hook. So we are going to be making, this is the waistband. So in order to achieve this, you are going to be using your waist as your measurement, not your hip. You are going to be using your waist as your measurement. My waist is size 35 inches, but after crocheting I removed 5 inches, which gave me 30 inches. So you can remove 5, you can remove 8. You know, I'm using yeye yarn and it's kind of stretchy. That's the reason why I'm doing so. So this is the second row. So make sure you count your stitches to make sure that you're on the right track. If not, it's either it keeps on increasing or reducing. So you need to make sure of that you still have your 6 stitches. So okay, so just keep on crocheting. You can use your waist to measure, you can use your tape rule. That's if you are crocheting for a customer. So this is how so let's continue. So just make sure you are on the right track. You keep on checking what you are doing, counting your stitches, and as I said earlier, make sure it's not too tight so that your hook will be able to pass through, in order for it not to stress you too much, and in order for your piece not to look a little bit unorganized. You get what I'm trying to say? So just keep on crocheting until you have your desired size. That's if it is 30 inches, 20 inches. Just make sure you are sure of your size. You can decide to remove 5 inches after measuring your, and it depends on the yarn you are using actually. Okay, so this is the actual size. I just finished measuring it with my waist, and now I'm going to be switching this project to a smaller one. Don't worry, you are still going to understand it, just that I didn't have the time to record the big one but I'm going to use a smaller project to explain it to you. So now we are going to be stitching both sides together, and it's quite simple. We are going to be using the slip stitch. You can use the single crochet stitch, anyone you want, so anyone you want to use, but just make sure you stitch both sides together. Okay, now that we are done with the waistband, we are going to make two chains. We are going to make two chains, and that doesn't serve as your first double crochet. So we are going to go in and make our first double crochet. From here we'll keep making double crochet until we get to the corner of this project. So make sure both sides are equal, that's the back and the front. And even when you don't have your stitch markers, you can use your earrings as your stitch markers. You can use your yarn as your stitch marker. Whatever you have, you can use it as your stitch marker. You don't need to stress yourself to get those things, but if you have the money, you can do that. So we are going to mark where we are going to be increasing. So we are going to be increasing to get our actual hip size, because my waist size is 35 and my hip is 46. So I'm going to keep on increasing till I get my actual hip size. So we are going to remove our stitch marker and place 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So that's our first increase. We are going to place 2 double crochet in that same stitch. So now we are going to be doing the same thing we did at the first corner, which is making 2 double crochet in the same space. So we are going to remove our stitch marker and chain 1, then another one,
Then you can continue crocheting. Don't forget to put your stitch marker. So this is how you are going to continue. This is how you are going to continue until you get your actual size. Don't forget to remove -5. That's if your hip size is 30, so definitely you are going to, by the time you are measuring using your measuring tape, it's going to make sure it's 25 inches and not 30. So just continue like this. From here you can decide to start adding your beads,
play around with colors, anything you want to do, just do it.
So once you've gotten your size, your actual size and the length, you can check everything. If you still want to increase the length, you want to make it longer, you can do that, and it's your choice. You can freestyle a little bit, and if you want to start adding the ruffles from here, you can go ahead and do that. So for the ruffles, we are going to be starting with 2 chain stitch. Then from there we go to the next stitch and make 3 double crochets in one space. Make 3 double crochets in one space. So continue making 3 double crochets in each spaces.
So here is the skirt after 2 rows of 3 double crochets and a row of single crochet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and thanks for always supporting my channel. Thank you.